Everyone thinks ChatGPT is intelligent. Some people think it understands you. Some think it searches Google. And some believe it's almost human. But here's the truth. ChatGPT does not think. It does not know facts. It simply predicts the next word. Yes. The most powerful AI system in the world is basically an extremely advanced autocomplete. Today, I'll explain exactly how ChatGPT works in the simplest way possible. No PhD required. Let's go. Part 1. What is ChatGPT? 040 to 200. ChatGPT is a large language model, meaning it learns patterns from massive amounts of text. During training, it reads books, articles, code, conversations, websites, billions of sentences, but it doesn't memorize them. Instead, it learns language patterns, relationships between words, context, understanding. Think of it like this. If I say peanut butter and a biming say, your brain instantly says jelly. ChatGPT works the same way. It predicts what word is most likely next. Part 2. The core idea. Next word prediction. Let's simplify. You type explain AI simply. ChatGPT converts your sentence into numbers called tokens. Example, explain AI. Simply each token becomes a vector, mathematical representation. Then the model asks, what word should come next? Maybe AI is artificial intelligence means. AI refers to, it calculates probabilities and chooses the best continuation. Then repeats this process, word by word, token by token, thousands of times per second. That's how responses are generated. Part 3. The transformer architecture. Here comes the magic. ChatGPT is built using something called transformer architecture invented in 2017. The key innovation, star attention mechanism. Instead of reading text one word at a time, the model looks at all words simultaneously. Example, the animal didn't cross the road because it was tired. What is it? Human brain arrow understands instantly. Transformer attention helps AI connect relationships between words across the sentence. This allows context understanding, long conversations, reasoning-like behavior. Part 4. Training phase. Training happens in two major stages. Stage 1. Pre-training. The model plays a giant game. Guess the missing word. Millions of times. Example, the capital of France is blank. Correct answer, arrow. Reward, wrong answer, arrow. Adjust weights after trillions of predictions. The model learns language structure. Stage 2. Human alignment. Humans then help refine behavior. They rate answers helpful, harmful, accurate, confusing. This process is called RLHF, reinforcement learning from human feedback. This is why ChatGPT sounds polite and helpful. Part 5. Why ChatGPT sometimes makes mistakes. Important truth. ChatGPT does not know reality. It predicts likely text, not truth. So sometimes it creates hallucinations. Why? Because the model tries to produce a fluent answer even when unsure. It prioritizes sounding correct, not always being correct. That's why systems like RAG exist, to connect AI with real data. Part 6. What happens when you ask a question 7:40 to 9 o'clock? Real flow. User question down. Arrow tokenization, down arrow. Embedding vectors, down arrow. Transformer attention layers, down arrow. Probability calculation, down arrow. Next token prediction, down arrow. Response generated. All of this happens in milliseconds. Behind the scenes, thousands of GPUs, massive neural networks, billions of parameters working together. Part 7. Why this changed the world before LLMs? Software followed rules. Now, software understands language. This enables AI co-pilots, AI agents, autonomous workflows, AI engineers building intelligent systems. We move from programming computers to talking to computers. ChatGPT isn't magic. It's mathematics plus data plus engineering at massive scale. But understanding how it works is the first step toward becoming an AI engineer. If you want more deep tech videos on LLM architecture, RAG systems, AI engineering, future AI careers, subscribe. Because this channel doesn't just use AI, we understand it. Please like and subscribe channel to view more informative videos.